That's pretty funky shit right there. Alright folks, welcome back to the show once again. Always glad to meet you guys. I'm glad you guys keep coming back here. That makes me want to just keep making videos, you know what I mean? My Telecaster, okay? It started fretting out down around, I don't know, around the 15th fret, 17th fret, somewhere in this area right here on the first string. And I just picked it up one day and I noticed it doing that. It hadn't done it before. Paint's wearing off the pick guard, by the way. I knew it would, man. I mean, it always does, every pick guard I've ever painted. But it's lasted a long time. Anyways, it's got road wear, it looks like. A buddy of mine was here and played this guitar. I just fell in love with it. And I said, I'm not going to sell it, but you can take it and play a couple gigs with it. Keep it a couple weeks if you want, but I want it back. So he brought it back. And I guess it was after that I got to noticing it fretting out, and I thought, well, yeah, I don't know, man, why it would do that. The frets look good on it, and after looking at it closer, and I'm just going to get the camera and bring you over here, and I'll show you how come it's fretting out on the first string. Hold on. Alright, there she is. Now you come up here and start looking closer and closer at the saddles. Look at the first saddle, first string. I set this guitar up. I think I've even got a video of it. And I didn't do that. Now why would someone do that? Loosen one screw at least, and the whole saddle's lopsided. I don't know if he raised them or lowered them or screwed with any of the rest of them or what, but he didn't say a word about that. But that's why it started fretting out. I'm sorry I can't hold the camera still. I don't think you can see that though. Let me get straight up and down here. Like so. Maybe you can see that better. See what I'm talking about? The whole entire saddle, man, is crooked. And when I set this guitar up, I did not do that. I'm sure, I know for a fact it wasn't that way. There you can see where the paint's worn away. No, it's been played a bunch though. It lasted longer than I thought it would actually. So anyways, let's fix that. This guitar's got a 7.25 radius on the fretboard all the way down. It's even 7.25 up here. I can get between the strings. There, see? 7.25 radius. So you need to see if it's gotten changed back here or not. I think the camera's running. I think it is. Wow, it's got a strong magnet in it. Yeah, it's not 7.25 anymore. Wow, look how that rocks under there. Okay, well, the action's good, so I'm not going to bother that. No more than I have to, but I'm going to have to. I don't know how he did that, man. It's got the same action as I set it at, but the radius is different. And you saw that saddle, how it was twisted around. Unbelievable, man. I'm going to start with the first string and start cranking it back up to its level anyways. No need to even count the turns, as crooked as it is. You must have turned the 6th string too. It's almost. Sorry for the AC's running, folks. It's just been so hot, man. There it's hitting. Okay, the only one off now is the 6th string. And it needs to come up. Yeah, when it gets this hot, man, it's 97 here today. And when it gets that hot, I'll start taking off clothes. So there you go. I'm calling for 100 degrees. Oh man, dumbass, I lowered it. Thing. Tighten. Raise the string. Wow, that's so tiny, man. Barely can see it. The string needs to go down. To go down or loosen it. Get that 7.25 all the way across. Alright. Next, do some more. So needs to go some. That's going to change. What did he do? I don't know how I did that. There we go. That's perfect, man. That's it. Now let's see what we did to the action though. Are we still rolling? I think we are, yeah. Keep it up wrong again. Never fails. Oh, okay. Now it's 5/64 now. So I must have read that wrong. I said 5/64 a while ago and I lowered it, so it must have been 6/64 then. It's dead on 5/64 right now. And I just leveled that first one saddle up, made it level. And it's still reached 4/64. I'm still going to have to raise it a little bit. We know we have our radius right, so all I'm going to do to raise that string, I'll get the thing in here, is turn this a half a turn. A half a turn. Raise all of them, just keep the radius matching the board. It's just all right on the verge of choking out. And it's very close, man. I'm going to leave it there. If I go messing around with that anymore raising, I'm going to have to raise them all to keep the radius right. And I don't want the action that high. I've got it set, man. You just touch it and it notes. I'm going to leave it there. So, let me plug it out and we'll see what it sounds like. Look at this shit. 90 outside right now. It was 94. That's the highest it's been today so far. It was 97 yesterday. 69's the low. Inside 76 right now. Holy shit. That's hot, man. tone out like I thought it was. That note right there. A little bit, but with a lot of distortion on it, you don't notice it so much. The high gain carries it through. Anyways, it's fixed. I can play it again. I don't know how that ever happened, man. I swear that's just that should have never happened. You know, he shouldn't have messed with the saddle. So he probably will see this video, and yeah, it's okay too, I guess. Anyways, cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you could sit through that horrible playing, man. My hands is really screwed up as they usually are, and I didn't even warm up. I should have probably played a couple hours before I tried to do anything, but I didn't. And there it is. It is what it is. Cheers. Thanks. See you soon. Been a while since you had a cue ball fix, eh? Tell them. Say, oh, we love you. We've got Zeke to help us. We've got Zeke here to help us tonight. I can't lift him though. Both of them. Tell them, cue ball. Say, oh, we love you. Oh yeah. I love you.